We always strive to create products that farmers can actually use.
To keep a product running smoothly, we need teamwork across design, R&D, testing, production, quality control, and after-sales service. Our tech team is the largest at LG Tech.
At the start of our R&D, we learned it from related European and American products and understood user pain points. We focused on safety, easy maintenance, and incorporated advanced technologies for high reliability. Some parts and structures are designed using simulation and experiments to precisely meet market needs.
We commit to high standards and respond quickly to the needs of R&D. We validate production processes to ensure product performance and help other departments to improve overall efficiency.
We follow a dual verification system that combines both bench testing and field testing. Our test units are equipped with count recorders to collect data and help troubleshoot. In the orchards, our machines undergo over 200 hours of durability testing.
We thoroughly inspect all components according to guidelines to ensure they are up to standard. During assembly, IPQC staff conduct inspections to ensure proper assembly. Before shipping, OQC staff test functionality and appearance to ensure stability.
We break down the production process into modules for better control and integration.
We track every piece of equipment from our factory and solve problems sincerely for our users. Customer trust gives us confidence in the market.
We have a comprehensive after-sales service system, including a professional team, standardized processes, and efficient response mechanisms. We regularly follow up with customers to identify and proactively solve issues.